He was in horrible condition when I found him. I thought that he was blind because his eyes looked so bad. As I speed past him, I just see the cat ears and the teary eyes. I'm a super big cat person. I love cats. I grew up with cats. And when I saw him, I was like, if there's any chance that I can grab him, I'm gonna get him to a vet. And I started walking up to him. I was like, how am I gonna explain this at work? I need a picture or a video of proof because I'm gonna tell them that I'm not gonna come in on time. And I got my phone out, and that's the first video that I recorded of him as I approached him initially. He was in absolutely horrible condition when I found him. His eyes were not even visible. Initially, I thought he was blind. And he had it looked like tears, like stains from the mucus coming from his eyes. Matted fur all over his body, and he smelled really strong. We later found out that he had a wound with maggots in it. Afterwards, he wouldn't clean his mouth. So I got myself a little clean cloth, and I made it wet, and I started cleaning his mouth. And I noticed that he would start rubbing his face into my hand with the cloth. And I was like, oh, this is so sweet. I can't believe it. And then he started giving the first little purrs. He must have been in so much pain. And yet he purred, and he put his head into my hand. From that second, I was completely sold. He had earned my heart, and I was like, this cat is gonna come home to me if he survives this. He is now my kitty.
Trying to sniff your finger.
When they shaved him down, you could actually see every single rib. That's how skinny he was. He's very playful, actually. The better he got, the more playful he got.